Every operations team has a wall like this, filled with the exact tools you need to do your job. Only IT never has time to build them. Instead of waiting, what if you could just describe it? Opsiforce turns a single sentence into a live dashboard with an active database, interactive charts, and filters. It evolves with you. Just chat to add a column or iterate instantly. The momentum doesn't stop at dashboards. Watch another wish become a mobile inspection form that captures photos and signatures, then runs itself, triggering low stock alerts or emailing scheduled reports. From there, it plugs right into your core enterprise systems, reading and writing securely to your ERP or WMS, backed by company SSO and permissions. Just like that, your entire wish list transforms into an accelerating cascade of software, 12 custom tools built this quarter, with 0 tickets filed, all living in one powerful tray. Opsiforce, stop wishing, describe it.